When somebody else is talking, usually you do not want to interrupt them. And if you want to, let's say, for example, notify other people that you want to say something, then what you can do is you can use non-verbal communications. So to access non-verbal communications, on the top, you see this right here. If you were to click on this, then there are different non-verbal communications right here, as you can see. For example, you can be surprised right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and click right here, then a surprise message will be sent out to other people. And similarly, depending on the non-verbal communication you actually use, those notifications will be sent to other person. So how does it actually look like on the other end? So let's just see right here. So let's say, for example, if someone else were to actually go around and communicate, then they can go around and raise hand right here. And you can see that the other person has raised hand right here, just like this. And that is how you would actually see this. So that is how non-verbal communications actually work. And there are different sort of non-verbal communications and different reactions that you can actually send out to other person, as you can see. So once you see this, you can see that this is what you have. You see that someone is raising the hand, and you can tell them, all right, I see TuTuTube's second account raising the hand. You may speak and so forth, and then continue out. So that is how you can communicate non-verbally and not disturb out the person who are speaking in the meeting in Microsoft Teams, and then make your communication much more smooth. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.